First Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 for Verizon Prepaid. So the iPhone 14 is now here. It's available in 5 colors. So you guys can see it has 5 colors are available as it is video recording, 3 storage options. So you guys have Starlight, Purple, Blue, Product Red, and Midnight color options for the iPhone 14. Like I said, 3 storage options: 128 gigs, $799.99. 256 gigs, $899.99. 512 gigs, $1099.99. Alright. So there's the iPhone 14. It looks like the iPhone 13 from last year, except for it has newer internals and stuff like that. So you guys have your notch for your front-facing camera, the earpiece, and all that. Power button on the right side, volume button on the left side, along with your light switch, dual cameras down the back, camera flash, Apple logo. We're looking at the blue iPhone 14 here. That's the front. There's the right side power button. There's a closer look at the dual cameras, camera flash. There it is in the different color options there. Like I said, you guys have 5 colors, so that's pretty cool. There it is, and again in the color options. And there's the iPhone accessories. You guys got the MagSafe accessories and all that good stuff there. So the iPhone 14 has up to 80 hours of audio playback, 12 megapixel main camera, f1.5 aperture sensor shift optical image stabilization, 7 element lens, 100% focus pixel camera, 2.82 inches width, 5.78 inches height. It says here interesting. It says here iPhone 14 with the most impressive dual camera system on iPhone. Capture stunning photos in low light and bright light. Get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Big and bigger. All kinds of ways to customize your lock screen. Beautifully durable with ceramic shield. Vital safety features you'll hopefully never need, but if you do need them, it's there. So that's a good feature there. So it says emergency SOS via satellite lets you text with emergency services when you are off the grid. With crash detection, iPhone 14 can detect when a severe car crash and call 911 when you can't. So, like I said, great features, you know. A huge plus for battery life, up to 20 hours video playback on the iPhone 14. A major leap in low light photos, an enhanced main camera, and improved image processing lets you capture even more sensational shots in all kinds of light, especially low light. Smoother takes without the shakes. Says whether you are filming while hiking up a rocky trail or crashing or chasing your kids through the park. Try action mode for smooth handheld videos. A15 Bionic chip, fast, that lasts. The super speedy chip with a 5-core GPU powers all the latest features and makes games and AR apps feel ultra fluid. So has the A15 Bionic chip, which was last year's iPhone chip, which is pretty interesting. So yeah. Specs. So the iPhone 14 has 4G of course, Wi-Fi. World device works in over 200 plus countries, depending on what plan you guys have. Also has 5G ultra wideband, 5G nationwide, global roaming network. Has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Usage time up to 80 hours of audio playback, video playback, 20 hours and up to 20 hours and then 16 hours stream. So yeah, 12 megapixel camera, main camera with the f1.5 aperture sensor, shift optical image stabilization, 7 element lens, 100% focus pixels. Colors midnight, purple, starlight, red, and blue. Depth 0.31 inches. Height 5.78 inches. Weight 6.7 ounces. So yeah, width 2.82 inches. Screen Super Retina XDR display 6.1 inches. Diagonal all-screen OLED 2532 by 1170 pixels with 460 ppi. Has iOS 16, of course, storage 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage. If you guys need help with your Verizon iPhone 14, Verizon has you here with device support, so check that out if you guys ever need help. It says Verizon Wireless Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your pretty much standard stuff for the iPhone. You guys get the iPhone 14 with iOS 16, USB-C to Lightning cable, and documentation. There is no charger in the box, so yeah. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now in 5 colors, 3 storage options, 128 gigs, $7.99, 256 gigs, $8.99, 512 gigs, $10.99. So if you guys are looking to get like the cheapest iPhone possible, the iPhone 14 is the iPhone for you. So it looks like the iPhone 13 from last year, but it has iOS 16 on it. That's pretty much the only improvement that it has. It does have the A15 Bionic chip from last year in there, which is kind of interesting. But if you guys want like the cheapest iPhone possible, like I said, the iPhone 14 is the iPhone to check out. So yeah, there you guys have it. iPhone 14 now available at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.